How to check if someone is active on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Snapchat. Click on Snap Map located at bottom left corner of your screen. Then search for the person you're searching. If you find that person in here, it will show you active this minute ago. Suppose active 23 minutes ago, and you'll find it in their profile. If it's off, you won't be able to see. You can also send them text and see if they reply. If they reply, that simply means they're active. You can also take a snap, press on send to at the bottom right, and then click on my story at the top. Add to your story. After you have added to your story, click on your story at the top left corner of your screen. Then you will be able to see your story by clicking on my story. Click on I like button at the bottom left, and then here you'll be able to see your viewers. Check for the person in here. If they have checked your story, it means they were active on Snapchat. This is how to check if someone is active on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.